Alright guys, we are leaving this beautiful park and we are gonna head down to Xevera, stop by Janice's parents, and hang on for the ride. It's gonna go downhill from here. Alright, this park was very pleasant experience, and views spectacular. It feels like you had a little solitude coming up here and hang out, walk around, and it was fun. So we'll find more of these places because there's a lot of them around here. We were actually talking earlier today about getting back up to the Handuam Falls and the hanging bridge up there. And there was a couple of other bridges up there, hanging bridges, and one of them was so scary, so I couldn't even Janice to go on it. I did go though. It was fun. So anyway, this first part here is pretty much downhill from here. Like a lot of things have been going this year, downhill. Anyway, I'm just joking, guys. You know, one thing is for sure, on this road is not a speed road, so you can't really hit the throttle and get down there real quick. But you know, we're not in a hurry, and if you're in a hurry, fast forward the video. Alright, so I just thought, we're out driving, so we might as well keep the camera on, and as long as the batteries are good, we'll keep them on. I think this will be the third or fourth video today. Look at the cows down there. They're not the caribous. They're actually cows. They look like cows. Yeah. Some banana trees and some other good stuff around the road here. Alright, so this dirt road here is quite long. Actually, it takes about 7, 8, 9 minutes to come down to this point here. And here the road is getting a little better, and this takes you through this little barangay here, and kids are out playing. Gotta be a little careful coming this way, and this little chicken won't move. There you go. They finally ran away. They're getting used to traffic, I guess, coming up here and all that. So it's farm country. The park is called Bella Montana Farm, and we could see some rice fields and other things. It's for sure a little narrow road coming up here or going down, but I actually checked on Google Maps, and they even, believe it or not, has a street view of the street, so you'll find it. All right, so now we are coming down to the main road here. This is the road that if you take right here, you go straight into Clark, and in this case we're gonna take a left turn, let these guys pass here. They're not, it says slow down, but these guys are not slowing down. And there's a barangay police sitting right there, and they don't seem to care, But anyway, so this road now that we're on takes you straight into Bamban and MacArthur Highway. So we're gonna ride down this road a little bit and stay tuned. Enjoy the ride with a little bit of music.
Everybody, let's just roll that dice, my darling. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You say you need my love, but you just ain't getting through. Please come around, knock on my door. Tell me something never heard before. 'Cause sweet talking me and giving me love, you'll just see me roll my eyes. So my darling, ooh, ooh, ooh. You say you want me back, I say get your head out of the blue. Woo! Hey! Being your stepping stone, my darling. Oh, oh, oh. I hear you need my love, but it just ain't here no more, no more, no more. Oh, no more for you. Oh, my darling.
All right, that was, what was it? You Need My Love, I think it's called. I get all my music from Epidemic Sound. Actually, those guys are Swedish guys that put this together, and there's a lot of vloggers that gets the music from it. I think several top bloggers are using that platform. So, all right, this road here continues and goes through a lot of farmland, and from what I understand, farming is one of the largest things here. Janice has a lot of family. They're farmers, rice farmers, corn, all that stuff. I hope the sound on this video will work. We're experimenting with external recording device, so we'll see how that goes. Back up in here also you have a couple of resorts, Gushen Resort, and that's a pretty cool place actually. Has a lot of Roman resemblance and things looking like the Roman architecture. It's a pretty cool place. Been up there once or twice, and maybe go there soon again. There's a lot of bikers out today. I don't know what's going on there, but I guess we just caught up with all of them. But out here the traffic is pretty civil compared to the inner city traffic. People are not as crazy out here. I don't know what the deal is when you get into town. It's unbelievable. All right, so I think, yeah, this is, you see this little hill here to the left. If you walk up there, in here they have some caves in here, and we attempted to go there once. Got in about maybe 50 feet, 60 feet. Didn't have any light. It got so pitch dark we had to turn around. Yeah, it's right here, the entrance. And you park your bike here and you walk up. You also have the Virgin Mary, the Lady of Lourdes, or whatever they call it, is up there. We've been up there a couple of times. Good viewpoint over Mabalacat. And here we are actually coming up on MacArthur Highway, so we are not too far away from Xevera at this point. Man, people are in a hurry to get in. They cut you off coming in here. So this is the final bridge before you get into Xevera, and here they got a big checkpoint on the other side, and not on my side. I've been lucky lately. They have started having checkpoints between Mabalacat and Angeles, and it looks to me like they're pulling over almost everyone. Look at all these guys here. I think they actually realized that there's a checkpoint, so maybe we shouldn't cross the bridge. Cross the bridge, not the bitch. Anyway, the other thing I was just thinking of mentioning a little bit, I hear rumors now that they are going to open up eventually here for domestic travel, not international tourism, but domestic travel. Plus, I think they had some updates as of February 16 as well, and I will address that on Sunday morning at 9:15 on our live feed. But for now, it doesn't look like the international travel is coming back anytime soon. Our vaccine czar is still holding on to it won't be until 2023 according to him, but that was not set in stone, and things are changing daily here, so who knows what's going to happen. Alright, so we're coming up to the entrance of Xevera, and in here you have, like, not Robinson Mall, but there is a grocery store, Robinson, up here, and people just stop everywhere. Alright, so we are there in Xevera, and that be it for now. I'm wrapping this one up. Don't miss our live feed on Sunday, 9:15 a.m. If you live in Eastern U.S. time, it is Saturday at 8:15 p.m. You guys have a good day, and wish you everybody good luck and be blessed. Take care for now, and we'll see you soon again. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again